This is the Toyota Highlander, a premium SUV loaded with features that help you enjoy the fruits of a life well earned and well lived. From its chiseled design, dynamic power, to its intuitive technology, the Highlander was designed to be as versatile as the life you lead. The Highlander's exterior design reaches refreshing new heights with a dazzling silhouette. Accented with standard 18-inch wheels or available 20-inch alloy wheels, LED tail lamps, available panoramic glass moonroof, and a new grille for a fresh look. The interior has been refined and elevated with premium soft-touch materials and an elegant front dash with enhanced fit and finish that propels the palatial style of the spacious cabin. The available 12.3-inch touchscreen display and available head-up display help make your driving both informed and convenient. Available rear heated seats also help keep your passengers warm. Plus, the Highlander can fit up to 8 people when it's your turn to carpool with its fold-down third-row seat. Like most Toyotas, the Highlander's technology makes life simpler, seamless, and so much more convenient with Connected Services by Toyota. Connected Services by Toyota offers drivers an advanced suite of convenient connectivity features that strengthens the relationship you have with your vehicle. Available Remote Connect allows you to remotely start your vehicle before hitting the road in the morning. Plus, you can keep tabs on your vehicle throughout the day and check the status of things like your doors and windows. To discover every Connected Services feature, head to toyota.ca. The Highlander also comes standard with Easy Speak for drivers, where the Highlander's built-in microphone amplifies your voice through the rear speakers. So when your kids scream, "Are we there yet?" for the 4th time, you can calmly say "No" for the 4th time. And if your smartphone starts to run out of juice, you can simply place it on the available Qi wireless charging pad. No cords necessary. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility also come standard, allowing you to safely access your smartphone features while on the road. The available digital display rear-view mirror employs a wide-angle, high-definition camera that helps to reduce blind spots and also helps you maneuver safely with excess cargo. Lastly, you'll have the available bird's-eye view monitor at your disposal, which makes use of 4 mounted cameras that create a panoramic view of your surroundings, providing a clear view for drivers so you can reverse safely and confidently. No matter what type of journey you've got planned, the Highlander ensures that you're more than ready. The available dynamic torque vectoring all-wheel drive system proactively distributes torque to the rear wheels, according to driving conditions, which lets you steer the vehicle exactly as intended and allows you to achieve high off-road performance, even on the toughest roads. Available multi-terrain select is a feature that works in tandem with the active traction control system, enabling you to take on mud and sand, rock and dirt, and snow with the utmost ease. And like most Toyota vehicles, the Highlander comes standard with Toyota Safety Sense 2.0, a suite of standard safety features that helps keep you and others safe, such as pre-collision system with pedestrian and bicycle detection, lane departure alert with road edge detection, full-speed dynamic radar cruise control, and lane trace assist. Other safety features include standard blind spot monitor with rear cross traffic alert, improved rear side airbags, and an ICS safety sonar that brakes when it detects an obstacle at low speeds. The Highlander also comes in a remarkably fuel-efficient hybrid model that makes use of the powerful yet versatile all-wheel drive technology, which boasts outstanding fuel economy and makes zero compromise on size and space. The Highlander Hybrid also uniquely possesses a 1500-watt high-output outlet, so you can easily plug in when on a camping trip. Everything from the design, performance, and innovative technology all comes together to make the Highlander the perfect partner in pursuing moments worth celebrating for you, your family, and everyone in between. Designed for your passions, built for you.